Top 5 Best Drone for Photography. Number 5. DJI Mini 2. Lastly, the DJI Mini 2 is another excellent option for beginners. The drone comes from a well-known name in the drone industry, so it's no surprise it offers great features even in the Mini edition built with beginners in mind. Mini 2 supports up to 10 km of HD video transmission and has excellent anti-interference capabilities, giving you the ability to fly farther and see clearer. This drone is perfect for traveling as it has a foldable design. Advantages: it is an easy-to-fly drone and allows you to take raw photos. DJI Mini 2 is also very portable, and you can take it wherever you want. Disadvantages: this photography drone offers limited tracking features. Coming in number 4. DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0. DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 is a great option for any pilot that has truly professional photographic ambitions. This camera drone comes equipped with a 3-axis motorized gimbal and a 1-inch 20-megapixel CMOS sensor with a mechanical shutter that eliminates rolling shutter distortion. The Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 drone offers intelligent flight modes such as tap fly, active track, draw mode, gesture mode, and more. Advantages: if you are looking for a drone camera with a large sensor, DJI Phantom 4 Pro is your match. It has a classic design and a subject tracking feature. Disadvantages: its size is a little large, and it is a little bit difficult to carry. Coming in number 3. DJI Mavic Air 2. The new DJI Mavic Air 2 comes with front, downward, and rear-facing distance sensors, and it is well known for obstacle avoidance, walls, buildings, or trees. Besides the fact Mavic Air 2 warns the pilot, it also has the ability to avoid any barricade that stands in its way. The first generation of DJI Mavic Air can still be found on the market, but this one comes with improvements. Advantages: if you choose this drone, you will benefit from 4K shooting, a 60 FPS video resolution. DJI Mavic Air 2 is capable of object avoidance with a course correction. Disadvantages: same as DJI Mavic 2 Pro, it doesn't have side or top sensors. Coming in number 2. DJI Mavic 2 Pro. This drone was a much-awaited update to the initial model of DJI Mavic Pro, and it doesn't disappoint. With the ability to shoot 20-megapixel photos and Ultra HD 4K videos, the drone is sure to help you capture stunning photos. A notable feature is the hyperlapse mode as well as the hyperlight feature. Pair hyperlight with its maximum ISO sensitivity range of 128,000 and you'll be able to take great-looking photos even in low-light conditions. Advantages: if you choose DJI Mavic 2 Pro, you can take advantage of its 1-inch sensor. It also has a reliable airframe so that the drone will be nimble in the air. Disadvantages: it doesn't have side or top sensors. Coming in number 1. DJI Mavic 2 Zoom. The first drone on the list is the DJI Mavic 2 Zoom. This drone is considered an all-around best drone for photography, and it features a 2x optical zoom lens with a focal length range of 24 to 48 mm. What makes this drone special is its ability to fold and carry a decent quality lens without too much additional weight. Another standout feature is the hyperlapse mode, which can include motion and takes moments to process. Advantages: this camera drone comes with an optical zoom dolly zoom. It offers great software features and a powerful battery capacity. Disadvantages: DJI Mavic 2 Zoom doesn't have 60 FPS for 4K video resolution.